Hi there. I'm going to show you how to download and install our vScription Transcribe software, as well as go through the process of setting up a new account and logging in. Before we start, I just want to go over the minimum requirements for vScription Transcribe. You'll need to be running Windows 7 or later. You'll need an email address, which is needed to create your account. You'll need internet access. And although not required, you'll most likely want a USB foot control. We currently support the generic USB foot controls such as the IN USB 1 and IN USB 2, as well as most Philips USB foot controls. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to the vScription Transcribe landing page at vtexvsi.com/vscription-transcribe. Now, scroll down and click the Get Started button to download the installer. When the download is complete, click the downloaded file to start the installer. Note that if you're using a different web browser, you may need to go to your Downloads folder and run the installer from there. When you launch the installer, click on Run if prompted with the Open File Security warning as shown here. Leave all the default values and click Next until you get to the end, and then click Finish. Then click Close. You should now have a shortcut in your desktop to vScription Transcribe. Let's launch it and sign up for a new account. When the login page comes up, click the Sign Up button underneath the Login button. Fill in all the fields and click the Sign Up button. You should get a confirmation that you've been signed up successfully. Now check your email address. And you should have an email from subscriptions@vtexvsi.com. Open the email and click the verification link. You will get a confirmation that your email is verified and that your account is ready. Now let's switch back to the vScription Transcribe application and log in. You should check off the Remember Me option, as this will prevent you from having to log in every time you launch the application. Once you are logged in, you will be at the beautiful vScription Transcribe desktop. In the next video, we'll go through using the vScription Transcribe application. Thanks for watching.